Ghana Premier League Matchday 27 no abawie sisi Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Leapfrog across Fuka Wahuri Ajompe abeda 10th position of the Ghana Premier League as they were here across Fuka over the weekend games I call so no mame formal quick glance and the league table no baby a obiada ansa Lagos City's etnefie share House of Folk 2-0 Rekarela share 1 Accra Lions share 1 Heart of Lions share 3 Nations Entime Anshibi Rotamala United tenefie Lusutu Nsuatreman Asante Kotoko share Samates 1-0 but for quarter no ne bechim 1-1 baby any Go Stars share 1 Aduana Entime Antibi Brekum Chelsea any media game na postpone and a Great Olympics any Dreams FC game no and so postpone na se say no membo Dreams FC aba so omako Egypt and Zamalek akobo 0-0 next week return encounter no ebeba so Obaba Sports Stadium yenti na yenhye no so Samates leading with 49 points first position second year Nations of 44 points third Mediana of 42 points and a fourth Nsuatreman 41 points Accra Lions were fifth of 40 points. Sixth position, you know, Bechem United 39 points. Seventh, Mediama 39 points. Eighth, Baby any Go Stars 38 points. And ninth, Brekum Chelsea or 38 points. Krobia Asante Kotoko abeda 10th position with 36 points. Accra Folk at the 11th position with 35 points. Legon Cities or 35 points. Great Olympics or 33 points. And Dreams FC or 31 points. Yes, now on your outstanding games at least miensa 25, 26, 27 to your bow of team be top 4 crowd. But for quarter no 31 points, 15 position. Relegation for near Karela, Heart of Lions, Red Tamale United 31, 28, 25 respectively. Sanae, Karela 16, Heart of Lions 17, Red Tamale United 8.